So, how much of this stuff do you think you will gain this holiday season? This is 1 pound of simulated adipose tissue, also known as fat. And these pounds can pile on quickly during the holidays. In fact, 1 pound can turn to 5, 10, or more pounds. Gross, huh? Well, this year can be different. Hi, Danna Demetre here with Lean Healthy Ages, and I want to invite you to our Survive and Thrive Holiday Challenge, a challenge to help you avoid any weight gain at all this holiday season. It's our 5th year. Why 5 years? Because it's been so successful. You still can enjoy some of your favorite holiday treats in moderation, but we're going to show you how you can enjoy your holidays but not put on even 1 pound. And in fact, so many of our women have actually lost 1, 2, 3, even 5 pounds during our 6-week holiday challenge. And you know what? It gets them started with the new year with such a fresh energy and hopefulness because they're not starting it with that extra weight. So check out the link provided. It starts on Monday, November 21st. If you're overwhelmed with Thanksgiving, hey, you can start a little late, but why not start today?